Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some trendy collections, Vishnupuri pure silk print sarees collections only for you. So let me display. And this one bright color combinations and premium quality pure handloom Vishnupuri silk with batik printed one, hand batik printed, very nice and trendy looks, all over hand batik printed one. This one is full base part maroon shade with hand batik print Vishnupuri silk, and this one is pallu end highlighted. This one is dark coffee brown shade with batik printed, very trendy and smart looks. This one is full base part, and this portion is batik printed box pattern design. This portion is split section. This one is splits. This one is upper base part batik printed one, and this one is running blouse piece, very elegant looks. This portion is dark coffee brown shade. This contrast blouse piece, silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright looks. And this one also very beautiful and smart fancy looks also. Pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark and all over nice printed one, very trendy and smart looks. And this one is black and white combinations, very beautiful one. Pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark and all over printed one, very trendy looks. This one is pallu end, all over upper base part to pallu end, same printed one, very beautiful and smart fancy looks. And this one split section black base. This one is split section. This one is upper base part, and this one running blouse piece, very nice and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, buta work contrast blouse piece with this for your exclusive smart looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one batik printed one, same material, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark and very colorful printed one, very fresh looks. This one is full base part all over batik printed one. This one upper base part to pallu end, beautiful printed one. And this portions dark coffee brown shade and border batik printed. This one is split section. This one is splits, and this one is upper base part fully hand batik printed one, and this one is pallu end, upper base part to half portion pallu end, beautiful hand batik printed one. And this one is running blouse piece, very trendy one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this for your smart and bright looks. And this one very beautiful combinations, fully hand batik printed one, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark and all over beautiful hand batik printed one, very colorful elegant looks. This one is full base part, very soft one, lightweight, and this one is beautiful hand batik printed one. This portion is border portion and all over beautiful batik printed one, and this portion is upper base part, and this portion is split section, very beautiful one, black upper portion, black base, and border portions beautiful hand batik printed one. This portion is split section. This one is split section, and this one is upper base part to pallu end very colorful beautiful colorful hand batik printed one. This one is pallu end, and this one is border portions, very nice and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this for your smart and fresh looks. And this one also nice color combinations, same material, pure Vishnupuri silk with printed one with silk mark, also very elegant color combinations. This one is full base part of white cream shade with beautiful contrast color dye border with printed one, very nice and elegant looks. This one is upper base part to pallu end, and this portion is split section, fully plain base. This one is split and border printed, and this one is upper base part to pallu end, very beautiful printed one, and this portion is a pallu end, fully contrast color with beautiful printed one. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu, and this portion is upper border. Very nice looks, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh looks. In a very beautiful one, bright color combinations, bright black and yellow contrast looks, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark, and very bright one, this one is full base part, contrast yellow border and middle portions black with printed one, very beautiful bright looks. And this one is pallu portions, fully contrast color, highlighted printed pallu, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark and all over bright printed one, very trendy looks. This one, full base part, and this one is split section, this portion is split section, this one is upper base part, this one is running blouse piece, very trendy and elegant looks. And I will suggest this soft silk material, digital printed with fine embroidery design work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also in a very beautiful color combinations and fully hand printed one, and contrast border all over hand printed one. This one is full base part, all over printed one, contrast color border, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark and fully hand printed. This one is full base part, very nice and fresh looks, all over hand printed one. This one is running blouse piece. And this one, pallu portion, fully contrast color, pink shaded, highlighted pallu end. This portion is pallu end, and this one, border portions, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material, butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and fresh looks. And this one, very beautiful color combinations, pure tussar silk with silk mark, pure handloom tussar silk with zari border and all over beautiful hand printed one. This one, fully hand printed. This one is border portion, contrast color, golden zari border, all over beautiful printed one, very nice looks, hand draw printed. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions, fully contrast color, highlighted stripes pattern, pallu end. And this one is full base part, very beautiful printed one. This one is fully hand draw printed, pure tussar silk with silk mark. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant and fresh looks. And this one, very beautiful color combinations, yellow shade, bright yellow shade, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark and border portions, contrast color, printed border. And this one is full base part, very beautiful one. This one is full base. And this portion is pallu portions, contrast color of white with beautiful printed pallu, very soft one, lightweight, comfortable printed. And this one, full base part, very smart looks, bright yellow shade, contrast color, highlighted printed border. And this one is full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one, full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. Very beautiful one, bright looks, batik printed one, fully hand batik printed, very elegant color combinations of white and red, contrast printed one. This one, full base part, all over hand batik printed. This one is upper base part, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark. And this one, upper base part, beautiful hand batik printed one. And these portions, split section, border batik printed and bright red shade. This one is split section, and this one is upper base part, and this one, running blouse piece. And this one is pallu end, upper base part to pallu end, same hand batik printed one, very elegant and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and fresh looks. And this one also, very beautiful color combinations, fully nice color combinations, brown shade, light brown shade, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark and all over beautiful printed one. This one, very artistic printed. This one is pallu portions, beautiful hand printed design pallu, very smart one and lightweight, comfortable. And this portion is border portions, beautiful printed one border. And this one is running blouse piece, very bright and beautiful looks. And I will suggest this silk material weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and fresh looks. And this one also nice color combination, soft one, pure Vishnupuri silk with all over hand printed one, very fresh looks, off-white base with beautiful printed one all over base, very nice and fresh looks. This one is full base part, off-white base, contrast color dye border all over hand printed one, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece. And this one pallu portion all over same printed base, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark. And this one is pallu and beautiful same printed one, fully hand drop printed. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart and bright elegant looks. And this one also very beautiful batik printed one, pure Vishnupuri silk, contrast color border all over batik printed one, fully hand batik printed, very nice and fresh looks. This one is full base part. This portion is pallu portions, contrast color with batik printed highlighted pallu. This one is pallu portions. And this one full base part, very elegant and fresh looks. All over base part is hand batik printed one. This portion is border portions, contrast color. And this one is running blouse piece, dark coffee brown shade. And this one full base part, very elegant and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, Banarasi weaving heavy worked contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant looks. Very beautiful one, bright color combinations, bright blue shade with hand printed one, very nice looks, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark and all over bright hand printed one. This one pallu portions, beautiful hand printed one, very elegant and nice looks. This one is pallu portions, hand printed and bright blue shade. And this one is border portions also same hand printed one, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark, nice color combinations all over border portions, beautiful hand printed. This one is running blouse piece. And this one full base part, beautiful looks. And I will suggest this silk material brocade buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive bright looks. And this one also very beautiful color combinations, cream shade, red and cream contrast looks all over, nice printed one, very elegant and fresh looks. This one is full base part, all over nice printed one. This portion is border portions all over, beautiful printed one. And this one is pallu portions, sorry, this one is split section, fully maroon shade with beautiful temple pattern printed highlighted. This portion is split section. And this one is running blouse piece, this one is split section. And this one upper base part, beautiful nice printed one. And this one is pallu and beautiful contrast color with highlighted temple pattern, highlighted printed pallu. And this one is border portions, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work, Banarasi weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant and fresh looks. And today I have dipped a beautiful color combinations, very nice looks, soft one, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark and all over border portions, all over base part is beautiful hand printed one, nice color combinations, hand printed. And this one pallu portions, beautiful hand printed highlighted pallu. This one is pallu portion and this one is border portions, very elegant and fresh looks, beautiful saree and designer blouse also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.